Hey guys, welcome to Crazy Days. Today is Bette's Box of Blessings. We're going to be talking about broken colors, still color. She sent this little pouch. It's called Be Blessed. May you be blessed by the Lord who made heaven and earth. Psalms 115:15. This little pouch has the verse for the whole box. It's called Be Blessed. The pouch is for coloring pencils. I like to color, so this box was awesome to me. So we have the pouch and the coloring pencils, and to go along with it, we have 3 different books. One of them is called Broken Colors, Still Color. This is an awesome little workbook that is kind of like a book study, and this girl Shelley that wrote it gives you a little bit about her, and then there's some reflection questions, and then you color. This is the one I did today. Broken Colors, Still Color. I like to color, and it relieves your mind. It helps you to just chill for a little bit. Kind of think like a kid again. And it even has a prayer, and it also gives you a website to go to if you want to download more coloring pages, or a website to go to if you want another story to go along with it. If you're teaching a class, this can be used in a classroom setting or just for your own personal study time. So Broken Colors, Still Color. And one of the stories she tells in the beginning is that she's sitting in the living room with her nieces, and she looks at the colors. She's going to be coloring with them, and she looks at the colors, and the color is broken and ratty looking, and she goes, man, thinking to herself, you know, that they need some new colors. They need pretty sharp colors. But she takes that broken color and starts coloring on the page. And as she does, the nieces go, oh man, that's so beautiful. And she realized even a broken color would still color. And so that's got me to thinking, and I've not read the whole book, so I'm sure it brings it out in here somewhat. We are like broken colors. Everybody's got a story. Everybody has been broken at some point in time in their life, but we all still color. We all still mean something. We all still have a life. Because we're still alive, we still can color. We can be a part of somebody else's life. So I like that broken colors still color. As people, we're broken, but we can still influence others in our lives. The next thing she had is Everyday Blessings is a coloring journal for women. This is like a soft leather, and look at the binding. Isn't that beautiful? This is a coloring journal. In it, it has many different topics like abilities, abundance, change, character, determination, speech, thoughts, work. Each one of them has a different topic. The first one, abilities, has a topic for the day. It has a place at the bottom where you can write your thoughts, and at the top it has a little coloring thing where you can sit and color. So every day you will get something to go along with it. Abilities. We all have different gifts according to the grace given to each of us. Romans 12:6. God has blessed every person, every single one, with some gift or ability with which to serve others and bring glory to His name. Some abilities are obvious. They shine brightly in front of everyone. But others move below the radar. They include things like the ability to pray effectively, love the unlovely, listen attentively. Ask God to open your eyes to your special abilities. They are blessings from God. So this is a really nice journal. And just to sit and color the little short pictures at the top. Gives you something else to just take your mind, to give you a chill moment, and to list all your little thoughts for the day. And Rise and Shine. It's an adult coloring book. In it are many Bible verses and illustrations, easily tear out pages, and it just encouraging scriptures along the way. And these are big enough that even a kid could color, or an adult, either way. I have several of these coloring books, and when kids come by, they love coloring in my coloring books. So these things are just something to soothe the soul. And as always, Dayspring Cards. All these cards are friendship cards, encouragement cards. They always put Dayspring Cards in every box in order for you to send and bless other people. I'm really, really going to enjoy this box, because at times I just need to slow down and remember that it's okay to color, it's okay to have fun, and that broken colors still color. Thank you, Bette's Box of Blessings, for sending this to us, and thank you guys from Crazy Days.